Welcome back, everyone, to our second episode in our CTF playlist. Last time we looked into web exploitation and more specifically the SQL injection. Today we'll look into another web exploitation problem, the buttons problem. We're going to go in head first, so just as the previous episode, you'll hopefully get a glimpse into how we approach solving problems and learn something along the way. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Okay, so if you click this link over here, it takes you to this web page. Hints being what's different about the two buttons. Okay, so look at here. It says
See,
push
at
me.
first look, it seems pretty simple, but you know, we never know.
It says push me. You did it. Try the next button. Okay. Nice.
Oh wow.
We got rickrolled. Form disabled. This instance has been logged and reported to Delvno. Basically, it's been thrown to the trash. Okay. When in doubt, look at the source code. Push me, I'm your only hope. Button.php, it's a post. So it's sending stuff to the PHP server or backend. Okay. Let's look at the page source here. What if there's a button 3.php that we don't know about? Not found. Okay. Button 2 takes you to Rick Ashley's hit.
Try to look into this. Yeah, boo.html is what they're.
Video.mp4. Access denied.
Form disabled this instance.
Let's look at the cookies. So what cookies are, think of them as temporary sort of storage that a website stores in your browser for various purposes, for authentication purposes or anything like that. Let's look at the first one and look at the view inspect edit. Okay. It has nothing but HTML about cookies. Nope, nothing that stands out or anything. Okay.
What about on the other pages?
Yep, I'll check that too. Application. Nothing abnormal here. Sources. Again, just the average thing.
It's weird. There's not much.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, what was the What is dev null specifically?
Abnormal it's basically, from what I understand, it's like basically trash. You can look at it. That's the beauty of CTFs. Called the null device. Colloquially, it's also known as the bit bucket or black hole because it immediately discards everything written to it and only returns an end of file when read.
Yeah, I was gonna say
Basically,
if we can try to read it somehow, but if it just gives the EOF, then
yeah, it's just a black hole. You just throw it. It's like trash. Weird.
Wait, what if you try to actually access dev null, like where it says boo.html? If you replace that with dev null, I'm curious to see what it will return.
That's more of a Linux thing. I don't think there's the.
Oh, okay.
The clue is what's different about the two buttons. Okay, well, button one. Okay, so this is the first button, and this is the second button.
Wait, okay, let's see. Form action. Is there a post for the other one?
There's not a post for the next other one.
Do you think that's something that
could be? What if it's something to do with? Wait, sorry. You can check the network inflow and outflow basically through here. You can see there's stuff that's been transmitted. Okay.
Wait, the hint was just look at the differences between the two buttons?
But yeah, what's different between these two buttons? And the difference is one of them is just like a link that's linking to the other set. The other one is a post.
Yeah.
Do you think if we copied this over here and made it into a post or something like that, that would change it?
I was actually gonna ask if you can do that
Yeah, we can.
using inspect, right?
Yep. And it has HTML. Okay.
And then just change that to button2.php.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. So it's just that simple, huh? That's good. That's good.
So I think what the reasoning behind this problem was, so the other one was just directly linking to a page on the website, whereas the other one was sending something, or was giving a post request or sending a response back to the backend. So what a backend does is that the client sends a request for a web page, and the backend analyzes it, does stuff in the backend, calculations, manipulations, data manipulation, getting data from a database, and then it generates the HTML and gives it to the client. So when we were linking directly to the button2 whatever, we were, was it just button2.php? Yeah, so it was probably some sort of like, it was saying like, there's something wrong. I didn't get like a get or get a like any information
Response
from the client, and it's just linking to that page. It's requesting something, but it hasn't given me back anything. And it was waiting for for that post so that it could properly generate something.
Yeah, it's interesting how like the smallest of things can cause such issues.
Yeah, it's. I think the hint gave it away. So
Yeah.
It's just
Submit that. And take our points.
that's it. Okay, thanks everyone for watching.
Hopefully next time we will maybe go into more web exploitation, but maybe we'll look into something else as well.
Yeah, web exploitation is fun though.
Yeah.
The other ones, they like binary exploit. Like last time we tried recording a buffer overflow one that like took us like too long, and we just scrapped the episode because it just took us too long. But we learned a lot.
Yeah, I would say that was probably the most enjoyable one, but I think for viewership, I think it would be slightly lengthy. So yeah, I think that's all we have for this one.
Thanks for watching.
Everyone.